Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now, bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs, and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my mentor's own product, Empire. And I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description. And I'll see you on the inside.
Stop! Because I've discovered a loophole, a new way to game Google for unlimited traffic. How? By outsourcing all the work to Chat-GPT. I'm talking about an AI-only method, a brand new, done-for-you tactic that involves no writing, no keyword research, no backlinks. In fact, no work whatsoever, because the AI does it all. In fact, all you need to do is click once to find a keyword, click again to write the article. All you need to do is decide where to send the daily buyer traffic. Imagine if there was a solution that could do everything for you. Finding the best keywords to rank for was completely done for you. Researching the current Google SERP listings was done for you. Generating article ideas was completely done for you. Writing content, done for you. Getting your website ranked on Google, done for you. Well, it's here. In fact, everything to get top Google rankings, drive free traffic, and earn passive income is done for you and wrapped into a single AI app. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button to get started. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.